If you're in need of a micro-ATX motherboard, you cannot go wrong with the Gigabyte B550M Aorus Pro. Gigabyte went all out and released a lot of B550 motherboards for the AM4 socket, but that doesn't mean they're all good options. To clear out all the confusion, the B550M Aorus Pro is the only model worth buying, and by a good measure. It is one of the best motherboards I've seen for AM4, but I cannot say much for the other boards that also have Aorus in their name. Taking a look at the VRM, the Gigabyte B550M Aorus Pro is configured with a 10+ 3-phase design. Strong enough to even handle the 5950X overclock, this board features 4 USB 2.0 ports, perfect for a mouse and a keyboard. I see many manufacturers not including these when they should. Other than that, we have 6 USB 3.2 ports, 5 Type-A, 1 Type-C, and a Realtek ALC 1200 audio codec for a significantly upgraded audio experience compared to the Aorus Elite. When I say premium, I mean it. This board has a shield on the PCIe slot, high-end capacitors for the audio codec with signal isolation, large heat sinks on the VRM, keeping them cool at all times, and a 6-layered PCB. When it comes to looks, it's my personal favorite. It doesn't have any RGB on itself, but it has RGB headers. This board is usually on the pricier side, but it truly offers a lot even at its original price. However, the exciting part is that currently the board is available at less than half its manufacturer's suggested retail price. At this price, it easily outshines any other options out there. When looking at some alternatives to the Aorus Pro, we see several options from Gigabyte themselves. The Aorus Pro is a significant upgrade over the Aorus Elite, but with a higher price tag. Initially, I was thinking to recommend the Aorus Pro P, which provides almost the same experience as the Aorus Pro, but at a much more affordable price point. If in any case the Aorus Pro is unavailable, consider the Aorus Pro P. Now with the current price, the Aorus Pro becomes an irresistible option, delivering top-notch performance and features without breaking the bank. Other options are the MSI Meg Mortar and Meg Bazooka, which compared to the Aorus Pro lack many features. MSI seemed to focus too heavily on the board design and VRMs that they didn't leave boards with much more to offer them. They are still good options, but the Aorus Pro was already a better option at the manufacturer's suggested retail price, and now at around $130, the Aorus Pro wins unchallenged. To sum up what I love on this board is the excellent price, the high-quality audio solution, and the great VRM design. On the downside, there is no CMOS clear button.